China is making significant progress in nuclear energy with the expansion of the Haiyang nuclear power plant. The latest milestone in this development is the installation of a 1,000-ton nuclear containment dome at Unit 3 of the facility. Once fully operational by 2027, the plant will generate 40 billion kilowatt hours of electricity per year, supplying power to half of Shandong province. This project stands out for its scale, technological advancements, and contribution to China's net zero goals. China's nuclear journey began in the 1950s primarily for military purposes. However, in the 1980s and 1990s, the government shifted its focus to civilian nuclear power as part of its long-term energy strategy. By the early 2000s, China had become one of the fastest growing nuclear energy markets in the world. The first two units of the Haiyang plant began commercial operations in 2018 and 2019, producing 20 billion kilowatt hours annually. In 2023, construction of Units 3 and 4 began, featuring the advanced CAP 1000 reactor, an improved version of the Westinghouse AP1000 design. The CAP 1000 reactor offers several advantages over previous designs. It features passive safety systems, which allow it to cool down automatically without external power or human intervention in case of an emergency. It also operates with higher efficiency, generating more electricity with less fuel, which lowers operational costs. Additionally, it has fewer moving parts, reducing the risk of mechanical failures. These enhancements make the CAP 1000 one of the safest and most reliable nuclear reactors in operation today. A major milestone in the construction of Unit 3 was reached on March 23, 2025, when the 1,000-ton containment dome was installed. This dome, which measures 134 feet or 41 meters in diameter and 36 feet or 11 meters in height, is a critical safety feature. It acts as the third layer of protection against radiation leaks, ensuring the plant meets the highest safety standards. The dome was lifted into place using a 3,200-ton crane, a process that took just 2 hours, highlighting the efficiency and precision of China's engineering capabilities. When compared to other major nuclear projects worldwide, Haiyang stands out in several ways. It is designed not only for electricity generation but also for clean heating, which is uncommon among nuclear plants. In terms of capacity, it will generate 40 billion kilowatt hours annually, surpassing plants like Vogtle in the US, 18 billion kilowatt hours, and Hinkley Point C in the UK, 25 billion kilowatt hours. Additionally, while projects in the United States and Europe have faced long delays and cost overruns, China's construction speed has been significantly faster, demonstrating its ability to scale nuclear power efficiently. China aims to achieve net zero emissions by 2060, and nuclear energy plays a crucial role in this transition. By replacing coal-fired power plants, which contribute to severe air pollution and millions of deaths annually, nuclear energy provides a cleaner and more sustainable alternative. The Haiyang plant, along with other nuclear projects, ensures a stable energy supply to complement renewables like solar and wind, which can be intermittent. With this rapid progress, the question arises, can other countries follow China's model for large-scale nuclear energy deployment? Is nuclear power the key to achieving global carbon neutrality? These are important discussions for the future of energy policy worldwide. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts. If you found this information useful, stay tuned for more updates on the latest in technology and energy innovation.